Ever felt self-conscious about vaginal or body odor? You're not alone, and the good news is it's completely normal. But what can you do to stay fresh and confident every day? In today's video, we'll dive into easy, effective ways to tackle these odors naturally and simply. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our tips and tricks on health, wellness, and everything in between. Today, I'll be talking about something that's super important, but often a bit awkward to discuss. How to get rid of vaginal odor and body odor. We all experience it at some point, but don't worry. I've got you covered with some simple and effective tips. Let's break it down and talk about how to manage and even eliminate those odors so you can feel fresh and confident. First, let's understand what causes odor in the first place. Whether it's vaginal or body odor, it all comes down to bacteria, sweat, and natural body processes. In your intimate area, the pH balance and natural bacteria play a big role. For body odor, sweat reacts with bacteria on the skin. But don't worry, there's so much you can do. Hygiene is the ultimate game changer. Gently cleanse your intimate area with warm water and mild fragrance-free soap. Avoid harsh chemicals or douching. They can upset your body's balance and make things worse. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton for your underwear. Tight clothes can trap sweat, creating the perfect environment for odor-causing bacteria. So, give your body room to breathe. Hydration is everything. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins, keeping your skin and body fresh. Pair that with a balanced diet. Fruits, veggies, and fiber keep everything running smoothly. Freshen up regularly, especially after sweating. Keep a set of antibacterial wipes or a natural deodorant in your bag for a quick refresher, whether you're at the gym or out and about. Use gentle, unscented products for your body and intimate area. Strong perfumes or artificial scents can sometimes cause irritation and disrupt your body's natural rhythm. And finally, if the odor is unusually strong, fishy, or accompanied by itching or discomfort, it could be a sign of an infection like bacterial vaginosis or a yeast infection. In these cases, it's best to see a doctor for treatment. So, to recap, clean gently, wear breathable fabrics, stay hydrated, eat well, and use natural products. And if anything feels off, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Taking these small steps can keep you feeling fresh, confident, and in control every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you next time. Stay fresh, stay confident,